Welcome to Seasparkles Corner. Good morning, everybody. I am making some homemade soup, turkey soup. I put 1 can of chicken beef broth in a slow cooker, which is Hamilton Beach, and I'm cutting 5 stalks of celery. I've already cut 3. After I washed them, I'm going to show you how I cut it. I cut it down the middle like this, and then I chop off a big chunk at the end because I just want the darker green. The celery is really sweet, and then I chop. I've done this. For the other 3, and I have 2 left. And I take a tip of the end off. After washing it, I cut the top off the celery stalk because this was the end of it. So I'm going to show you one more time how I'm doing this. Chopped at that end, chopped at that end. You can use them, but I just don't. Then cut your celery down the middle, and just chop. All the way chopping we will go, chopping we will go, hi-ho the dairy-o, a chopping we will go. Alright. That's what it looks like so far. And now I'm going to throw the celery away. Okay, now we're going to take some turkey. You feel free to use turkey or your favorite one. I have a turkey leg here. And this is fresh turkey. I cooked it all yesterday. And I'm going to chop it up. I made a half a turkey yesterday. And feel free, you can use your leftovers. With it, you can, if you don't have any turkey leftovers, you can use other leftovers for this recipe. Now, I'm not going to cook the skin, so I'm going to peel the skin off. Okay. I just want the actual meat and no bones. And I washed my hands thoroughly. And then I washed the knife after I was done with the celery. But I'm going to take and just debone this. I want to make sure there's no bones in this whatsoever. Being careful, and I washed my hands off camera as well, and I washed the cutting board and I washed the knife again. So this is just a good way to get rid of. I made for dinner yesterday, we all had turkey legs. I got a bunch of them at Walmart, not You know, shop wherever your favorite place is to get your meat. And I just grilled. Actually, I smoked these turkey legs. Let me wash my hands again. Sorry, I gotta just keep washing my hands. I'm coming. I'm the only one up. Okay. So, this is a leftover. We had one turkey leg left over. I just washed my hands again. Okay. So now we're going to dice up the turkey. Cutting I will go, a cutting I will go, hi ho a dairy-o, a cutting I will go. Yep. And I don't want any skin at all in this. Now some people like the skin, but I always just peel it off. Yes, I do. This is my favorite knife. And this is a piece of skin. Funny story. I had multiple cutting boards, but my son cleaned up a swabby and went to chop it for something, and he accidentally cut some of my other cutting board in half. Now, why I use the beef broth, it just adds more flavor than just plain water. And this has skin on it, so I'm just going to chop it out. And when you're making it for a soup, you want to make it bite size and I'm always real careful to make sure there's no bones in it. There's another piece of skin. And I like to take my chopping very slowly. As you can see, so that way I'm starting this early in the day, so everything has a chance to like meld all together with this soup. I'm going to throw that out. Okay. I'm going to throw the rest of this. I'm going to wash this again. I'll be right back. Wash my hands again as well. They feel a little greasy. I'm washing my hands. I'm washing my hands. Oh, there we go. I'm washing my hands again.